Kilner from Aldebaran Robotics. We make the now programmable autonomous humanoid robot.
Tell us a little bit about the robot.
Well, he's a robot with 25 degrees of freedom. He's a humanoid. He can walk around the place. He's got lots of sensors. You can program him on a really low level or on a high level if you want, using our components. We pride ourselves on having an open architecture which lets people really attack at a low level if they want to, or use our components and get a higher view if they want to.
What's inside in terms of the processor, or what kind of frameworks do you have?
Inside there's a 500 megahertz Geode, although we might change that processor in time as things get cheaper.
What kind of programming framework do you have for it?
So fundamentally inside at the moment there's C++ modules. Each C++ module exposes a number of function calls effectively, and then those are bound so that you can call them very fast locally or a little bit slower from a distance. And that same architecture allows us to expose that API through many other languages.
Do you have any frameworks that run with this?
We work with Microsoft Developer Studio, so also any .NET language, scripting languages, Ruby, Python, Ruby.
Okay. What kind of sensors does the system have?
Many sensors. He's got on each motor. He's got double encoders. He's got force sensitive resistors on his feet. He's got a gyrometer and accelerometer. He's got camera, 4 microphones, infrared, sonar.
How long can you run?
On a full charge, not doing much, he can run for about 4 hours. When he's walking and doing sonar and camera, he can run for about 45 minutes on a charge.
In terms of walking, tell us a little bit more about what he can do and what you provide with the runtime.
Okay, so people have got low-level control of all of the joints, so they can control him in joint space. So they could make predefined animations of joint movements that is a walk. Or they can control him as we do, using control of his center of mass and control of the trajectory of his feet in space. Those together define a walk, and you can define turning, sidestepping, walking backwards.
Tell us a little bit about its hands and so on. People need.
It's got a version with opposable fingers, twistable wrists, so you can pick up little things or carry a small can. He's not really a bodybuilder; he can't carry heavy things, but he can do little tasks.
What are some of the applications where it's being used in right now?
Up until now, we've been testing the robot with university in the Robo Cup League, where he's playing football. So that's where teams have all the same hardware. They all use the same now robot, and they change the software as much as they like. They can use our high-level code, or they can wipe it flat and use the lowest level code access that they've got.
Any other things that we haven't touched upon that it can do, or you'd like to see it do?
Well, he can synthesize speech in French or English at the moment. We hope to add more languages. Often with the camera, we've got facial recognition, and mixing those, you have audio facial recognition, where you choose the person of interest, you can look towards them.
All right. Why don't we go in and do some close-ups now? One of the things that I'd like you to show. The next one is simulation.